Dr. Emily Hawking stood motionless before her father's ornate mahogany desk, her emerald eyes fixed on the sealed envelope bearing her name. The study, bathed in the warm glow of a vintage Tiffany lamp, seemed to hold its breath. With trembling fingers, Emily broke the wax seal, embossed with her father's signature cat-in-a-box motif. The letter inside, penned in Stephen Hawking Jr.'s precise handwriting, crackled as she unfolded it. My dearest Emily, if you're reading this, I've departed this particular timeline, but fear not, for I may yet live in another. My life's work has led me to a discovery that will shake the very foundations of reality. The letter concluded with a warning and a promise. The device holds the key to quantum immortality, Emily. But beware, with great power comes great responsibility, and even greater danger. Trust no one. The fate of all possible worlds rests in your hands. As if on cue, a loud knock echoed through the study. Emily froze, her heart pounding. The knock came again, more insistent this time. She quickly folded the letter, slipping it into her pocket. With a deep breath, she strode towards the door, her mind ablaze with possibilities. As her hand touched the doorknob, a surge of excitement coursed through her veins. The adventure of a lifetime, or perhaps infinite lifetimes, was about to begin.